is my slime collection. So let's just get started. So let's magic my first slime. Oh, it came. So here's my first slime, and it is called the Dark Sea Blue Slime. Open that up. Here it is. I haven't touched this slime for a month, and some of my slimes are already hardened. So yeah, this was my first ever slime, and this slime was made out of borax, and borax can't stretch that well. So, but this does also stretch nicely. But you know, things can be happening on globe. Let's do some slime pressing. So yeah, I got this. Let's do some slime pressing. Here, take a closer look. It made a bubble. Let's do another. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh God! Oh, now that is a big bubble. Oh God! Let's do some florp. So I got my container right here. So let's do some florp. Who farted? And now let's take it out and this is amazing. Let's try it again. Oh my God. Ow! I just literally was about to broke my nail when I was doing that. Like, it feels so weird. Like, I made the perfect look. A poop. Guys, so this is my first slime. This is my first slime. The second slime are these. Now this is my last 4 slimes.